Today we are making a summertime family favorite, oven-baked barbecue country ribs. These ribs are made with a special tomato-based sauce, but with a citrus twist. It's extremely simple to prepare and even easier to eat. This is how we do it. First off, we want to get those ribs nice and tender, so we're going to put them in a large pot of salted water and let them simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half. While they're cooking, make sure to keep an eye out for any of the fat or scum that might float to the top and skim that right off. While our ribs are doing their thing, it's time to whip up a fantastic homemade barbecue sauce. For this, you will need 3/4 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of chili sauce. This is your tomato-based kind, not the Asian chili sauce kind. Don't do that. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, dash of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix those ingredients together really well, then let it set aside. Once your country ribs are beautifully cooked and tender, make sure to drain them well and set them aside. Next, grab your baking dish and spread a thin layer of that yummy sauce on the bottom. Then place your cooked pork ribs in the dish in single file fashion. Once they're all lined up, drizzle or mop the rest of that sauce over the top and the sides to make sure they're fully coated. Don't forget to top with your lemon slices. The fresh zest really does take these ribs to another level. Now we're all set. We'll pop this into the oven at 350 degrees. Let it heat through for about 15 minutes. The aroma is amazing. All right, let's check out how our delicious creation turned out.